Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. We are doing the song It's Still the Blood today, and we're doing it in the key of F, kind of it's definitely in a guy's key, unless you are really, really high or super low woman. But we got a nice little arrangement, kind of, got definitely like this soulful gospel intro on it that you just heard. So let's dive right into that intro. Okay. So we're going to start out, since we're in the key of F, and we're in 3/4 time, 1, 2, 3, and 1, and we'll go over that rhythm when we get into the chord structure in the next lesson. But we're gonna kind of play some of the melody of this song and do some chordal things that's gonna sound nice. So if you can reach it up here in your right hand, we are going to play a B flat and hit it and kind of roll it up and hit it and then hit it again. Which that B flat would be D. It'd be octave D with an F and a B flat in there. So it'd be D, F, B flat, and D. Okay, we're gonna go like that. Now if you can't hit all of that, then either hit that B flat here, or better yet, do the octave D with the F here. But if you can hit all 4 of those, that middle finger can hit that B flat, do that. But if not, you can just add the F in there. Okay? Now, we're going to go, and then we're going to come down here and hit an F with an octave C. So it's going to be C, F, A, and C. So, all right? And in the right hand, while that's going on, we're going to do this little roll. With the left hand, we're going to go G, slide to A flat to A to B flat. And it's like a rolling motion all at once. And just sustain it during those B flats. And when we come down here to this F, it's an F over a C. So we're going to jump out down here and play an F or a C low note or a C octave, whatever you can reach. So, all right, like that. All right. And then we're going to play technically the chords is F with an A below it, and then C, and then a D minor. But here's how we're going to play that. We're gonna slide the A flat to A with an octave C. So that's kind of like our F with an A down here. I know we're not playing an F, but it will work because we're doing it so fast. And we're gonna do this little, all right, and then we're gonna come up and hit a C octave. And then we're going to play a G with the C octave up here. All right. And then for the D minor, we're going to hit the D octave down here. And then we're going to kind of play a D minor 7. So regular D minor would be D, F, and A. We're going to drop the thumb down and play the 7 of that, the flat 7, which is a C. Just kind of gives it a nice full sound. So we're going. All right. So far we got. All right, now we are going to play after we're on a D minor, so we're going to kind of half step down, and we're going to play a D flat diminished 7. So if you've never played that chord before, here it comes. You're gonna love it. You can. If people ask you, what was that chord you played there? You say that was a D flat diminished 7, and you can feel like that you can sound all fancy there for piano talk. Okay, so anyway, so D flat, E, G, and B flat, and we're gonna roll that, and we're gonna hit the outer shell of that chord with the D flat down here in the octave. We're gonna go, and then we're gonna roll G and E. So we went. And then we're going to play an F with the C down here. The F up here, we're going to play C, F, and A with the C down here. So hit it twice while sustaining the C down here. And then we're going to play a C 7, keep the C down here and hit it again. So B flat, E, and G. So we're going. All right. And then you hit that once, and then we're going to play this F right here. A, C, and F with an F down here. And that's going to start this little guy here. We're going to, as soon as you hit that once, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're going to go 1, and then on the 2 of that F, we're going to jump down and play octave F with an A in there, and I'll show you the reason why here. So we're going 1, 2, and then we're going to roll what we're doing there. So we're going to go F, A, F, and then we're going to play a B flat note in there, which is going to be like a B flat. Well, it is a B flat with an F in the left hand. So we're going, so, dun, dun. Still keep the F down here in the left hand and hit this twice. So it's F, B flat, and F. I'm not adding the D in there. So I'm going, hit that twice again, and then roll that, F, B flat, F. And back down and do that again. F, A, and F. And then roll it. And then play the B flat. All right, but this, so all in all, this is how that sounds. So that may have been a little confusing. 2. See how we're doing that? And then when we roll this, we're gonna hit that B flat and kind of chop it. All right? And then we're gonna sustain it. But when we sustain it, we're gonna hit a C up here. So F in the left hand to C. So the whole thing is, I kind of hit a wrong note there, but you get the idea of that. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole intro nice and easy and slow. The beginning of this had it up to speed and timing, so go back and see that. But here this whole intro is. Kind of messed that up there at the end, but you get the idea of that, and that is the whole intro. Listen to the beginning of it, and we will see you at the next lesson where we start going over the rhythm and the chord structure of the song, starting with the first verse. Thank you so much for watching.